about 6 million people die from tobacco-related ailments every year, and that number is projected to rise to over 8 million by 2030. So each year, the World Health Organization holds World No Tobacco Day on May 31st. Their goal is to spread awareness about the risks of tobacco use and how we can make the world tobacco-free. World No Tobacco Day campaigns aim to spread awareness about the dangers of tobacco and its negative impact on health, as well as the exploitation of the nicotine industry that is geared toward the youth in particular. It also aims to reduce the diseases and deaths caused by tobacco consumption. So the World No Tobacco Day theme for 2021 is Commit to Quit. The member states of the World Health Organization created World No Tobacco Day in 1987 as a response to the global tobacco crisis and the diseases and deaths caused by the epidemic. The World Health Organization reports 8 million deaths every year due to the consumption of tobacco. Tobacco is the leading cause of respiratory disorders like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, tuberculosis, and other lung diseases. In 2008, the World Health Organization banned any kind of advertisement or promotion of tobacco. Now let us look at why World No Tobacco Day is important for all of us. So firstly, it shows us how the tobacco industry contributes to poverty. So around 80% of deaths due to tobacco happen in low and middle income countries. So in other words, the poorest people are the ones most negatively affected. Due to addiction, money that could be used on education, food or healthcare goes to tobacco. And over the years, this decreases productivity and drives up the cost of healthcare. Next, it warns us of the dangers of second-hand smoke. So second-hand smoke causes over 600,000 deaths per year. Sadly, about 28% of the victims are kids. Also, this day is used to demonstrate how the tobacco industry damages the environment. So growing tobacco takes a lot of pesticides and fertilizers. Some of these toxic elements can seep into water supplies, but the damage doesn't stop there. The manufacturing process creates more than 2 million tons of waste. So as the theme says, commit to quit. So quitting can be challenging, especially with the added social and economic stress that have come as a result of the pandemic, but there are a lot of reasons to quit. Worldwide, around 780 million people say that they want to quit, but only 30% of them have access to the tools that can help them do so. So together with partners, the World Health Organization will provide people with the tools and resources they need to make a successful quit attempt. So the World Health Organization is calling for nominations to the World No Tobacco Day Awards of individuals or organizations in each of the 6 WHO regions for their accomplishments in the area of tobacco control. So as we observe the World No Tobacco Day on May 31st, all the users of tobacco would agree that it is definitely difficult to quit, and there's no one to blame because it is definitely tough. But you can start laying the groundwork for your exit by counting the number of cigarettes you smoke in a day. So the way you start to think more about it, this way you will be motivated to think about your health and also the amount of money that you're actually putting into tobacco. So as they say, the best way to quit smoking is to never start at all. So try and encourage young people around you to avoid this habit altogether. So let's use the World No Tobacco Day as a launching pad to a brighter and less smoky future.
मेरा नाम है जुलियाना रोसमानी मिंज। मैं डॉन बॉस्को टेकमीर पाड़ा में कोऑर्डिनेटर और कम्युनिकेटिव इंग्लिश ITS ट्रेनर हूँ। आज हम वर्ल्ड नो टोबैको डे मनाते हैं और इस विषय में मैं आपसे कुछ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। क्या आप जानते हैं धूम्रपान से कोरोना से मौत का जोखिम 50% से ज़्यादा हो रहा है। अगर आप धूम्रपान करते हैं तो आपको कोरोना संक्रमण का खतरा उन लोगों के मुकाबले ज़्यादा है जो धूम्रपान नहीं करते हैं। यह निष्कर्ष विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन का एक अध्ययन का है। दरअसल धूम्रपान फेफड़े को नुकसान पहुंचाता है और कोरोना से जो मौत हुई है उनमें ज़्यादा मामले फेफड़े के संक्रमण के हैं। विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन के महानिदेशक डॉक्टर टेड्रोस अधनोम घेब्रेयेसस का दावा है कि धूम्रपान करने वाले में कोरोना की गंभीरता और इससे मौत का जोखिम 50% तक ज़्यादा होता है। इसलिए कोरोना वायरस के जोखिम से बचना है तो धूम्रपान छोड़ देने में ही भलाई है। विशेषज्ञ कहते हैं कि यह समय धूम्रपान करने वाले लोगों के लिए प्रतिज्ञा लेने का समय है कि वे अपने फेफड़े को धीमे जहर से बचाएं। धन्यवाद।